Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for all things tech. Today, we've got a real treat for iPad Pro 12.9 users, the KCT 2-pack Paperfeel screen protector. I'm your name, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Let's kick things off with compatibility. The KCT Paperfeel screen protector is specifically designed for the iPad Pro 12.9, including the 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd generations. It's also fully compatible with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, making it a perfect companion for creative minds. Now, what sets this screen protector apart is its 2nd generation technology. It's coated with high-quality Japanese paper material, providing a unique paper-like texture that feels incredible when you're drawing or writing on your iPad. No more slippery surfaces. Plus, the new generation eliminates those pesky colorful points and rainbow lines that could cause discomfort during extended use. Your screen's color and definition stay intact. Protecting your iPad screen is a priority, and KCT knows that. This screen protector features an oleophobic and hydrophobic coating, making it waterproof and resistant to fingerprints. Or should I say, screen? Here's something impressive. The anti-glare effect of the KCT Paperfeel screen protector is on par with glass. Thanks to its special surface texture, it significantly reduces glare from natural and artificial light sources. Whether you're working outdoors or indoors, your reading and working experience will remain top-notch. Worried about losing that sensitive touch with your iPad? Fear not. This screen protector is ultra-thin, measuring just 0.17 mm, and it maintains the same high sensitivity as your iPad's original screen. Plus, the installation is a breeze. KCT provides a foolproof installation method and a helpful video guide to ensure you get it just right. And there you have it, the KCT 2-pack Paperfeel screen protector for iPad Pro 12.9. If you want that paper-like drawing and writing experience without compromising on protection and clarity, this is the screen protector for you. If you found this review helpful and are considering getting this fantastic accessory for your iPad Pro, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews just like this one. I'm your host, reminding you that a better screen protector can lead to a better iPad experience. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next review.